Good morning. It's a travel day. Leaving London, heading back to the US. I gotta go up here to Waterloo Station and grab the Baker line, I think. Can't remember now. I have to look. And make it to the Elizabeth Station and then to Heathrow Airport. Okay, I got off at Bond Street. Now I need to go find the Elizabeth line. It looks like I follow the purple signs. Okay, it says I'm a minute to get there, so hopefully I'm about there. Oh, sweet, it's not here yet. Okay, I made it to Heathrow. Now I just need to follow the signs to Terminal 3. Pretty cool conveyor to get your Japanese. Must have arrived at Heathrow at just the right time because it took me like 10 minutes to get through security, which they warn you this is a terrible place to get through. Now, one thing that is a little bit different than most US airports is usually I can see my gate number like days before. In this case, it does not show the gate number until a certain time. So you have a call time, gate shown time. And at that time, it'll tell you where to go. Until then, you just hang out in the general waiting area. It looks to me like this PID needs tuned. Made it to the Charlotte airport. One more flight to Roanoke. All right, I landed in Roanoke, and you know, it's an 8.5 hour flight from London to Charlotte. I didn't sleep a wink, and I got onto this plane, and next thing you knew, it was descending. Apparently, I slept through the whole flight. But here's what I was waiting to see.